Hello! Today we're gonna make a basic granny square. Woo. So that's the square where I made a minute ago, just to show you how does it look like. If you're gonna make quite a bit of them, you can join them all together in a blanket, or you can make a pillowcase. So let's get started. So my favorite way is to start out from the slip stitch. So that's what I'm doing. I'm taking the end of the yarn and putting it over here, taking the yarn around my thumb so you can see a nice cross in here. And there it is, first stitch. Now we need to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and join it nicely together. With a slip stitch. Now chain 3, and just to make sure that you don't have later problem with this, I just cut it a little bit shorter like this, and I'm trying to make sure that that end is lying on top of that circle which we made. So we chained 3 in here. Now we're gonna do double crochet. First double crochet and a second double crochet, and there it is, our first section of a granny square. Now we need to make a corner, so we chain another 3 and make another section of 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. And chain 3 for another corner and make another section. 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3, and make another corner, 3 chain and 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 3 and slip stitch to the first chain in here. So that's our first row. I'm gonna turn it around, chain 2, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, chain 3 for the corner, and 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. And now, without chaining anything, we're jumping into the next gap. So again, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 3 for the corner, 3 double crochet, jump into the other hole, 3 double crochet, chain 3 for the corner, 3 double crochet, jump to the next hole, 3 double crochet, chain 3 for the corner, 3 double crochet, and slip stitch on a last chain. That's our second row. Turn, chain 2, double crochet, another double crochet, and analogically, when you have to jump through, you jump through. So 3 double crochet, now we need a corner, so 3 chains, 3 double crochet, jumping to another hole, 3 double crochet, jumping to another hole, 3 double crochet, three chains for the corner, 3 double crochet, and so on till the end of the row. I'll meet you here. We are back, so that's the end of the row 3. So we need to slip stitch into the last chain of the first thingy, first section. Turn, chain 2, and as before, 2 double crochet, three double crochet in the next hole, chain 3 for the corner, 3 double crochet, three double crochet in the next hole, and so on. As you see, job is very quickly done. So making 2 or 3 a day granny squares like this, it's not a big problem. and after a few days, a month or so, you can join it all together in a nice blanket. In my idea, it's a very good way to get rid of the scraps of your wool, unless you want to have super neat project and want to use one or two colors, or you want a rainbow blanket or something like this. But I'm doing pretty much all my granny squares from scrapyard, and it's ending up looking quite well. So we're doing another chain of 3 for the corner. I will meet you in the end of the row. Welcome back on the end of the row. So to finish your granny square, you need to slip stitch it to the last chain of the first section as before. And now when you have that little loop in here, just taking the yarn all through, like with chaining one, cutting off the yarn, you're pulling off the yarn which is gonna be used for another granny square in my, and pulling it as hard as you can. Don't use all your strength. And there it is, another granny square nicely done. Now I have 2. Thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you here again. Don't forget to like if you like that tutorial, and subscribe if you want to see more of it. Bye!